Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to represent your data as a data bar. In this example I want to represent the data as a data bar so I can compare between the sales value in an easy way and figure out the negative numbers in a glance. Let me show you how to do this. The first step, I am going to create a link to the source data. So I highlight the cell and then type equal and select the cell like this and press enter. Then I copy down the link. So from the right corner, I double click like this. Then be sure you highlight your data like this and on Home tab, select Conditional Format, Data Bars, More Rules. Okay, you can select the color of your data bar as you want, for example this color. Okay, and be sure you select Show Bar Only because I want to display only the data bar and press OK. Now I can represent the sales value as a data bar, so I can compare between the sales value and I can explore the negative number in a glance. That's it. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any feedback, please comment below the video. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.